Veriha Trucking Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you manage a trucking business, Veriha Trucking promises fleet management, route optimization, and real-time tracking, but is it the solution you need? One of the biggest pros is real-time monitoring. Most people get this wrong by assuming trucking apps only schedule deliveries. Veriha allows fleet managers to see driver locations, shipment status, and estimated arrival times in real time, which reduces delays and improves customer satisfaction. Another advantage is route optimization. The app calculates the fastest, most efficient paths for trucks, taking traffic and load into account. This saves fuel costs, reduces wear and tear, and ensures timely deliveries. Fleet analytics provide insights on driver performance, fuel efficiency, and maintenance schedules. Veriha also supports digital documentation. Delivery confirmations, invoices, and logs can be handled entirely in the app, cutting down on paperwork and streamlining compliance with regulations. However, there are cons. Some users report that the app requires a stable internet connection for all features, which can be challenging in remote areas. Advanced analytics and certain premium features require a subscription, and there can be a learning curve for first-time users. In conclusion, Veriha Trucking is a solid solution for trucking businesses seeking efficiency, transparency, and operational insights. The surprising truth is that when it offers robust features, its full potential is realized only when combined with proper training and stable connectivity. For fleet managers aiming to optimize routes, track deliveries, and reduce operational costs, Veriha Trucking provides the tools needed, but be prepared to invest time in learning the app and possibly upgrading to premium features.